Take the next question. A fair die is called and the number on the top face is noted. Then another fair die is rolled and the number on its top face is noted. What is the probability that the sum will be 5? Very rarely you will get these questions in exam. I'm just setting the base for you. So we want the sum to be 5. First of all, we will write all possible outcomes. So what are the possible outcomes I can have? 1, 1 on both the dice, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and so on. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and so on. Every time you get a question on the dice, make sure you make this table immediately. It is very useful. Now, just think about this, that in each dice, there are 6 possibilities. So, how many possibilities when you roll k number of dice is 6 to the power k, where k is the number of dice rolled or the number of times a single dice is rolled. So here, because we have 2, it will be 6 to the power 2, which means 36 total outcome. Now I want the sum to be 5. So I can have 4, 1, 4 in the first die and 1 in the second, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 1, 4, which means there are 4 possible outcomes that I may have. So my probability will be 4 by 36, which will be 1 by 9. Come to the next one. It says, what is the probability that one of the dice shows 2 and other shows 4? So either this shows 2 and the other shows 4, or this shows 2 and other shows 4. There are 2 possibilities here out of the 36 possible outcomes. So the answer will be 2 by 36, which is 1 by 18. What is the probability that second number will be greater than the first number? So just come back. When is that happening? Here, second is greater than first. Here, 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 here. Then here, 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 second is greater than first. You can keep marking these. These are the possibilities where second number that you get on the dice is greater than the first. Add them and divide by 36. So I have this as the answer. 15 possibilities divided by 36, answer will be 5 by 12.